much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shalina Panda. I am from Chhattisgarh, Bhilai. Currently, I am looking for a good opportunity in aviation and airlines. The reason is I am very much interested with this profile. This industry is one of the biggest contributors towards Indian economy, and I really feel that I'll have a bright future the way I'm gonna perform here. Then comes the very important part of my introduction, that's education. I have recently completed my graduation from St. Thomas College in Bachelor of Commerce, and then I completed my schooling from Krishna Public School. Coming back to my skills, I have good communication skills, I'm work focused and punctual person. Then my hobbies are traveling, cooking and dancing. And talking about my strength, I am obedient, intellectual and confident person. I belong from a small family, so this is all about myself. Today I am here to deliver a beautiful journey of mine with you. I am a BCom graduate student and I always wanted to join aviation and airline industry. I traveled to many metro cities like Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Delhi with my father to give interviews, but even after giving my 100%, I didn't got the chance to become a cabin crew. But after a while, I heard about an institute named Aspire Innovation, which is in Bhilai itself. There I met Sujata ma'am, who helped me with the training and communication skills and how to talk professionally. She prepared me for the interview rounds, and after that, from the first round I got selected and I got the opportunity to become Aviation Security Officer in Bangalore International Airport. Today my parents are really proud of myself, and I'm really happy to share this journey of mine with you. Thank you.